The thing that interested me most about College of Tech is throughout the program, there's always hands-on learning opportunities. You go sit in a classroom for like an hour and then you go into a lab for 3 hours and apply the knowledge.
It's an Associate Applied Science. It's a 2-year degree. It's very focused, very hands-on. You get to see the equipment that you're going to see directly out in industry, and you come out making pretty good money right out of school.
From first semester, you go and you learn all the circuit stuff, so you're hands-on with circuits. And then third semester, you get to go hands-on with programming.
You're going to see the same sorts of equipment you might see in anything from a power plant to a wastewater treatment plant to a chemical processing facility. And we try to incorporate real-world type situations and scenarios.
For my career at the Idaho National Laboratory, I use the fundamentals of this program every day. The best part of my job is to go into the facilities and see something new that has never been done before, and meet with people who are brilliant minds who are literally changing the nuclear industry. Doing the 2-year degree, you can't find a better program.
So the first step, if you're interested in the program, is come take a tour, see what the lab facilities are like.
It's a great opportunity where you get to do lots of hands-on learning and a good chance of getting a job right out of college.